I just woke up at a Saturday morning so early. I am very tired, cold. I'm wearing a blanket. Last time I gave you a tour of my 2 offices, upstairs. This one's downstairs. I'm gonna have a talk, which I did yesterday. But I had coworkers. I'm not joking. I do have coworkers. I will. Where's that book at? Put it back. So, look, never mind. Jesus. Watch this. That took me a long time to paint. And if I broke my office, my mom will kill me. She was the one that made my office, which are very cool. So for this, sorry. Oh, which I'm not disturbing right now. Everything just falls over for some reason. Yeah, don't worry about my sound. Well, it's like a little dirty for some reason. Well, I have to put on my headphones. My headphones are actually very confusing at dawn, but if you want me, you'd eventually get to it. Oops. But everybody's wondering from last video, who will actually win? Dwayne The Rock Johnson or John Cena? This is the talk. So, you're gonna guess it. Last time I chose Dwayne The Rock Johnson, but I just realized The Rock, I think he's like, I think they're brothers. And they work out at the gym. I'm like, what the heck? The Rock is like, you're going down. John Cena's doing the same thing. You're going down too. And I'm like, and and I don't know who will win, but we could forget about it. I'm gonna post it, and I'm gonna try to get another account. Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna well, I think I know what we're gonna do today. How to set up an office. Well, I showed you my office, but there's like more details. So you don't know. Wait, did I show this? There's like a rock shade there, but everybody sees a red light back here for some reason. You might be wondering why I have a red light. Because I have a lamp that glows red right there. I'm not gonna show you. I have a board that I could write on, which is pretty sick. I have much more to do, but forget about it. I'm not setting up a new office. But this is closed. Well, if you have a pen, I'm just gonna show you some instructions. So So first, if you need an office, you need a microphone. If you don't, you can't have a good office like me. Second, you need a red light. You need a red light, which is right there. It's burning up to the ceiling, so that means it just shows all red. Well, it's pink for some reason. I do not know. Then you need this. It's an holder thing. This is for the light up stuff. This is for to light up my room because I do have a light over here. I showed you it before my office was actually made. Well, if you need more light, just buy this. I could turn up the light. I don't believe it. Yeah, this looks cool. This thing stays on. But our next thing is it's this. I'll show you. I didn't get to show you yet. Grab this thing. You can see it. It's standing up by a cord. It's next to the lamp that I just showed you. It's over here. No, over here. You can open your phone, which I'm gonna take my phone. It's kind of work to do, but you can do it. Yeah, you can put your phone in there, but it's actually pretty hard. I'm not joking. Can't hold it for that long. See, it like my phone's held. Held. Look how cool this is. Bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Bounce. That's sus. See, you can like stand up. Just take it out. Jeez. Well, that was the thing in my office. But you do need that if you want to make like a YouTube short or anything. If you want co-workers, you need another computer. It's like over there. The reason why the red light's not there, it's just I knocked over my lamp. I even have a lava lamp, which makes it more cool. Oh. I didn't have to set it back up. 1 second. There we go. What was it? God dang it. Guys, is it orange? I might need some help. Oh God. Oh God, heavens. You guys cannot see nothing. I bet. I should stand like this, bro. Nope. Wait. I'm gonna move my trash can real quick. I'm not into doing this, guys. I'm really not. God heavens, please shine up. Come on. Do you guys see the lights? I think you don't. Well, anyways, that took me a long time. I had to bend this thing down. Well, the more hot it gets, that means the more color it changes. That's a lava lamp. Well, if you're actually in danger, hammer, bah. if you want a studio, if you need a studio, you need some color. So you need 2 chairs, a guitar, which I don't use that guitar often. So that's it. Bye.